Hi, I'm Josh from Root. In this demo, I'm going to show you how the Root platform enables builders to quickly and seamlessly build products by taking an existing commercial public liability product and adding two new covers, professional indemnity and tools cover, to create a combined commercial liability product. The product will be sold from a website by Root's API, and I'll show you how you can use your preferred AI coding assistant like Cursor to build faster than ever on Root. This is what a policy looks like on Root. We have a public liability policy billed on a monthly basis with a cover limit of £1 million. Our public liability product is sold by Peak District Insurers, our fictional firm, through an online website hosted by Root. We have a web application flow that asks a number of underwriting questions, all of which are fed back to the Root platform. Next, we're going to need Root's public AI context file. You can access this file in our public developer hub, which contains our best-in-class API documentation and guides. The AI context file contains all of the information about building products on Root that your AI coding assistant will need to help you. Simply load it in your project and begin. Now that we're all set up, let's open the product module in Cursor. With the context file loaded, we'll prompt Cursor to do a couple things. First, update the product module to add professional indemnity and tools cover. Then we'll update the quote step, schema, add ratings, and ensure the policy documents are all updated, as well as the midterm adjustments for the product. We also want Cursor to update the embed configuration. That's the sales front-end portal we saw earlier, to include the updated quote steps. To set up your prompt, we gave Cursor instructions on how we wanted the ratings and pricing to work for the new cover types, and hit send. In the time that it takes you to make a cup of coffee, your coding assistant should have made all of the changes to your product module code. Let's go through the updates. In the rating file, we can see the professional indemnity and tools cover have been added as optional covers. A number of different trades have been included, with cover limits and excess options. In the quote hook file, the premium calculation function has been updated to incorporate professional indemnity and tools cover. The quote step has been updated for toggling on PI cover, cover limits, and tools cover questions. The policy documents have also been updated to reference new cover types. Our policy schedule now includes professional indemnity and tools cover. Now that we've reviewed the changes to our product module and we're happy with them, we'll simply accept the changes and publish them to Root by running the rp push command. Let's take a look at the front-end sales website. We asked Cursor to update the name of our product to SME cover, and the landing page description now lists professional indemnity and tools as optional covers. Now let's take out a policy for Jimmy Jones, our London-based electrician, sole trader. He would like public liability cover of £1 million, no products liability cover, and he would like to take out professional indemnity cover of £250,000 with an excess of £250 and tools cover for £5,000 with an excess of £250. All of this information is returned to Root to generate an immediate quote using the pricing logic that we saw earlier. In this case, Jimmy Jones can decide whether to take out cover by paying a monthly or annual premium. We'll accept the T's and C's, choose our payment method, and then bind the cover. And now Jimmy's business is covered. As your system of record is Root, all the information about the policy sale we just captured reflects immediately on Root. On the policies view, we can see Jimmy's SME cover policy reflecting as active. Selecting the policy, we can see the covers Jimmy has taken out for his business with the associated premiums and excesses. We can also view the SME cover policy schedule sent out to Jimmy, showing all of the updated cover and policy information. So, to summarize, a single developer in a single session, enabled by an AI assistant, can make a full update to a product en route across every layer: ratings, pricing, documents, and even the front end using Root. With Root as the infrastructure at the center of your insurance technology stack, you can enjoy control over your insurance products without the limitations of having to manage the underlying infrastructure or being completely reliant on external developers. Your team can focus on building insurance products and distribution, and let Root handle the rest.